Hi, welcome to the Iron Tech, and today we will discuss about TikTok Video Save. This is one of the services that people also looks on Fiverr of work as well. So you should come onto this place again and select the categories of TikTok Video Save. Then order services. There are two different types of services. One is 378 and other is 330. In 378, the speed is very fast, almost 500,000 per day. You will get it, and guaranteed a lifetime. Starting time is so quick within 60 minutes, and price is just $0.024. If you will go to the minimum amount you can order on ID 378, that is a 50, and ID 330, its refill is 90 days, almost 3 months. Speed is a little bit lower compared to 378, that is 5000 per hour. Starting time is also quick, within 60 minutes. And let's see the minimum amount that you can give, that is also 10. So in this video we have discussed about TikTok video saves. Come on here, see the price and reselect to earn money online. So see you in next video. Goodbye.